RefWorks vs EndNote Web. If you are a student or researcher trying to manage your references, you might be wondering about the differences between RefWorks and EndNote Web. Both tools are designed to help you organize citations and create bibliographies, but they have some key differences. RefWorks is a fully web-based tool, which means you do not need to install any software. You can access it easily with just a username and password. This makes it a great option for undergraduate and postgraduate coursework students. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to navigate without feeling overwhelmed. RefWorks also offers a Microsoft Word plugin, which lets you insert citations directly into your documents. This feature is especially handy for students who need quick citation management for their assignments. On the other hand, EndNote Web is the online version of the EndNote desktop software. While the desktop version requires installation and can be used offline, EndNote Web is accessed through a web browser. One of the advantages of EndNote Web is that it can sync with the desktop version, providing flexibility for users who switch between devices. EndNote Web is more complex and feature-rich, offering advanced tools like extensive deduplication options and a find full text feature. This feature allows you to search for and download PDFs of references when they are available. Because of these advanced capabilities, EndNote Web is often better suited for higher degree research students and academic staff who need more robust tools for managing large projects. From a practical study perspective, RefWorks is ideal for students looking for a straightforward tool that works anywhere without the need for installation. It supports efficient citation management for coursework and smaller projects. In contrast, EndNote Web is better for users who requiring advanced features, offline access, and integration with desktop software for long-term research projects. Both tools support Microsoft Word integration and library database exports, but the choice between RefWorks and EndNote Web really depends on your study needs and how comfortable you are with technology. If you want ease of use and web-only access, RefWorks is a great fit. If you need advanced capabilities and desktop integration, EndNote Web might be the better choice for you.